Hey everyone! Today on the channel, I'm going to show you how to fix your Xiaomi Redmi from automatically switching sound. As you can see here, first, your phone case might be pressing on the buttons, and second, the buttons themselves might be stuck. In such cases, it's best to take it in for repair. But this problem might also be software related, which you can solve in two ways. First, go to Settings, then go to Additional Settings. Next, go to Accessibility, then to Accessibility and Sound, and turn on Mono Audio and give it a try. If that doesn't help, then go back to Settings. Next, go to Applications, then to Search, type System Launcher, and clear the cache. After that, restart your phone and everything should work. That's it. This was LR. Goodbye, everyone.